something in my teeth. Oh, hey guys, sorry about that. Hey, you know what? Today would be a good day to talk about our dental health. I don't know about you, but I've had to have a lot of dental work done, and I've spent thousands upon thousands on taking care of my teeth. Well, you know what? Actually, let me back up. My mom used to give us candy. We ate junk food and all that stuff, and she'd always say, "It's gonna rot your teeth out." Well, thanks a lot, Mom. Why did you give it to us? Oh, Milka agrees. Well, anyway, I want to talk about 4 essential oils that can help you with your dental health. We're going to talk about Thyme Essential Oil, Myrrh Essential Oil, Clove Essential Oil, and one of my favorites, Peppermint Essential Oil. Now, if you haven't already watched it, we have a video on showing you how to make your own toothpaste using essentials. I'll put the link up here so you can take a look at that. But today, let's just talk about these oils and how they can help you. Now, with Thyme Essential Oil, this is a powerful oil, very, very potent. It's natural antibiotic or antibacterial oil. And so this one destroys the bacteria and germs in your mouth, and it's a great remedy when you have gum infections or any kind of gum receding happening, or even with bad breath. So this is a good oil to use. Now, Myrrh Essential Oil is another one. Now, this particular one, we've actually used it in that toothpaste that we made because it's great for inflammation. It helps with any kind of gum infections. It has cooling properties in it, so it's very helpful in improving your gum health. Now, Clove, which I guess most of you are familiar with, if you've ever been to the dentist and they've given you that Novocaine, sometimes they'll take a little cotton swab and rub some oil or some kind of antiseptic on there. And usually, in some cases, it might be clove oil that they're actually using. And this particular oil has been very good for its numbing effects. So if you have any kind of tooth pain or something going on in your mouth, it's great to use some clove. In fact, for babies, if you are, have a young baby who's teething, you would want to use a teaspoon of coconut oil and use 1 drop of clove, mix it together very carefully, and then you would just dip your little finger in and rub it on their gums. Never use clove oil directly on their gums. That would be very bad for them because it would be so painful. So let's talk about the 4th oil, peppermint. Now, peppermint is great to use. Just put a drop on your tongue, or helps with your breath, helps to kill bacteria. It's also great in a mouthwash. And so what I was going to show you is just very quick, easy way for you to make your own mouthwash at home. Now, I have this container here. Now, you can use any kind of bottle, glass preferably, but if you don't want to use glass in the bathroom, and you could use a BPA free bottle if you can find one. This one actually is for tea, but I thought I would use it. Now, this is spring water, so you're going to just use 2 cups of water. Okay, so this is probably 2 cups here. Just, I could probably just pour it directly in. Filled up our bottle with 2 cups of water. And now we're going to take 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. And it's your choice now whether you want to use clove or thyme. But I'm going to go with the clove because I like the spiciness and I love the benefits of it. See if we can get it out. All right. Another one would be cinnamon. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and shake this up. And this I'm going to just leave on the bathroom counter. And we'll be able to use this each day just as a mouth rinse. So you don't want to swallow it. Just go ahead and swish it around for a minute or so and spit it back out. And that will help keep your breath fresh. It will also help kill those germs and any kind of bacteria. It will help with the gum disease or any kind of periodontal issues you have going on. I hope that helps. Please let me know if this works for you, or if you have another recipe that you would like to share with our group. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our video, and I hope that you'll like this video. Please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.